Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieve my favorite protective style, which is the curly high bun with the baby hairs. So if you are interested in this video, please keep on watching. Before we get started, I want to give a huge shout out to Impressions of Beauty and Africa's Best for providing me with some new products to test out in this video. As you can see, I have a day 4 perm rod set and my hair is getting a little bit frizzy and I'm ready to put it in my bun. And usually I wear this bun for about a week. So after wearing my perm rod set for 4 to 6 days, I can rock this bun and still utilize the curls on the end of my hair from the initial perm rod set. So I'm just gonna begin by adding a little bit of oil to my hair and leave-in conditioner because we wanna make sure that our hair is looking moisturized and not dry. So for hair oil, I am using the Kiss Colors and Care Argan and Macadamia oil. And this hair oil is so bomb. Like, I've had it for about a month and a half and I'm almost done with it because I use it so often. And I'm just gonna use a pump and run that all on the ends of my hair, all on the curls. And you wanna do this to the ends because that's what's gonna make up your bun. We're also gonna do a little bit on our edges and the base of our hair, so we can get that looking shiny as well. Before I apply the leave-in conditioner, I want to pick out the roots of my hair, and we're just going in gently because you don't want to rip your hair, but we're just gently going to pick out the roots. Now I'm using just a bristle brush to brush all my hair up into the top of my head. And now I'm putting it in a loose ponytail at the top. And now I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Kiss Colors and Care Argan and Macadamia. Oh, this is the regular conditioner. The leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I went ahead and moved you guys up so you can see my entire hair. And what I'm going to do is add a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and this is the Kiss Argan and Macadamia leave-in conditioner. And these two just work very well together, this and the hair oil. And I'm just doing one healthy pump of that and just putting all around my hair. So 2 of the items that I'll be using in this video is the Honey and Castor Edge Gel from Africa's Best. And I've been using this ever since I received it for about 2 weeks now. And I really like how it lays my edges. I'm gonna take about a dime size amount and spread it around to put on my hair. And now I'm just gonna put it in a high ponytail. So I'm gonna take this off and then we're gonna really brush it and sleek our hair down. So now I'm just gonna put it in a high ponytail. And so once we have it slicked down, we're gonna go ahead and execute the bun before we do the edges. And I saw this method from Alexandra on Instagram. I'll link her video in the description box, but I thought it was so creative to achieve this bun, and I always wondered how people achieved this bun, especially you will see a lot of people with loose curls doing it. And so I figured out when I do a perm rod set or a flexi rod set, that makes my curls look more loose, and so it looks really well, me doing the bun on an old perm rod or flexi rod set. So if you have 3C, 4A, 4B, 4C hair, you could try doing like a twist out or a perm rod set to achieve this bun with these curls. So you're gonna take another hair tie, and sometimes I do a regular hair tie, sometimes I do a headband, and you're basically gonna double pineapple. So we're going up about an inch from the initial hair tie, and I'm just wrapping this up my hair just a little bit. So if you can see, that's where I just put the headband, and this is where the regular one is. And then we just have our hair kind of shooting out like this. And so what I'm gonna do is fluff this, add just a tad more hair oil on the ends. And then you can use a hair bow for this, but I like using a simple rubber band for this because you're just basically catching the ends of your ponytail down at the base. So you just want to kind of take a rubber band and put it over your hair. Now if you have a lot more hair than me, you will probably need to use a hairband because the rubber band will more likely pop. So that's how you get your bun. And now it's time for the edges. So the bun looks good by itself, but you don't have the final step. You need the edges. So I'm gonna use the Africa's Best double-sided brush and comb. And what we're gonna do is pull out what we want to pull out. So I have a healthy widow's peak. So I am pulling out some hair from that. Going up in here, pulling out some hair. So once I have my hair pulled out like this, I'm gonna take some of the edge gel, which this is a similar texture to like honey or the Aunt Jackie's new slicked edge gel that's in their grapeseed collection. It's a very similar texture to that and like Got2b glue, but I feel like it's a little bit more moisturizing, and it doesn't flake as bad. So now I'm just gonna start off doing my swoop for my widow's peak. So I'm literally just swooping that with the brush. And we're gonna do it again right here. Again right here. And again right here. Guys, that is pretty much it for this bun tutorial. That's literally all I do, and keep it pushing. Sometimes I use like a colored edge control to darken up my edges. This edge gel does lay your edges really well. If you look up close, like they're not going anywhere, like and that's that on that, they're not going anywhere. Well, that's all folks, that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my bun tutorial. And make sure you like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Reshae. And guys, never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiful. Bye guys.